What's up, guys, and welcome to Forex Success. Yeah, we make money, guys. This is how we make money. Whoa, I'm on loss. Look, I'm on loss. I'm losing over $2,000. Look, I'm losing over $2,000, guys. What can I do? But look, profit. We make profit, guys. Profit, profit, profit continuously, making more and more profit, guys. Whoa, what profit? See, profit. So, guys, Forex Success is here. So, I'm profit of $4,000+. Yeah, guys, go learn price action. Go on, learn price action. Go and learn price action to help you sincerely. You can see the market. Yeah, you can see it's on the buy, on the buy, on the buy, and the buy, and the buy. What's up, guys? Making money. This is how we make the market and bring out the profits. Look at this account. It's a deposit of $20,000, and the profit is already $23,000, guys. $23,000. We made $23,000 within a week. Yeah, within a week. $23,000 within a week. So this is how we make the market and make money. For full-time forex traders who make money sitting at home making money, but you have to learn. It took us time. It took me years to learn this trade. I know I lose a lot of money back in the days, but now I'm making it. It's just for you to learn. There is nothing else behind it. Just learn and practice. You will get to the point where it will mean nothing to you. You'll be so used to it that you will make the market without even thinking twice. You make profit without even thinking of it. That you get so used to candle patterns, to trends, that you just see the market and you know where it's going to. Guys, learn trading. Look at our previous trades. Look, profits all true, guys. Profit, $23,000 profit. That's for today. We have $17,000 profit today. See, guys, $17,000 profit today. From last week, $22,000 profit. So we are making, guys. So, guys, just want to encourage you more not to give up on forex trading. Like when I started trading forex, guys, I lost over $6,000. Yeah, I lost over $6,000, and I was like, should I give up on this? But no, I didn't give up. I kept on practicing, and one thing I did was that each time I lost, each time I had a loss, I know I find out the reason for that loss, and I quickly amend it. Like I make correction. The mistake that made me lose such amount of money, I immediately correct it, and next time I won't make such mistake again. Because anytime you lose money, there must be a mistake behind it. So I quickly correct myself for that mistake. So that's how I continue doing, and I keep getting better every day. So, guys, forex trading is a good source of income if you can settle down and apply knowledge. Take this knowledge because it is very important. Just learn. You can learn on baby pips. Read through baby pips, and guys, it will help you. And keep on practicing. That's my key. That's just the key. Keep on practicing, guys. Keep on practicing. Yeah, because they say practice make perfect. keep on practicing and you make money, guys. Make money. So guys, that's it. When I lost $6,000 when I started trading forex, I almost gave up, and my my siblings were telling me you're just wasting money to this thing. Why? But now I'm making from it. So thanks guys, and also I give thanks to God because He gave me the strength. And also guys, you can also do the same. You can do the same. You can do the same. You can make money too. Guys, you can make money too. There is nobody different. Just keep on. Never give up, guys. Never give up. Give up is not an option. Never give up on it. Keep on doing it. Make money. Guys, start feeding from your broker. Not the broker feeding from you. Not the broker feeding from you. Yeah. Okay. I'm still holding this market. I'm still holding the market. I think it's about to make a little pullback and continue my trend. I'm still holding the market. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Look at my account. FBS broker. So we won $43,000. Then this is also one of my derived accounts where I trade crash and boom synthetic indices. As you can see, it's just $53. This is one of them. Okay, yeah, my trades for today. Okay, I didn't make trade today. Yeah, okay, $17 profit. $101 profit, deposit of $50. Yeah, so guys, this period I've been on currency pairs, so I didn't even trade on my derived account. So guys, you can see we trade. This is what we do. We trade, guys. Up until now, I still trade on my demo account because I still practice new things there. You understand, guys? Look, on this my demo account, I still practice new things there. I still practice, so I still trade on my demo account. So you can't stop learning. You just keep on learning trading. That's it. Just keep on learning. Keep on reading books. Watch videos also. Keep on doing it. Even if you are a pro, still watch videos. Knowledge is never too much. Knowledge is never too much. You just have to keep on accumulating knowledge. That's it, guys, and thanks for watching this video. I truly love you all, guys, and I hope you make money too. Thanks, guys.